Before, para sa akin kasi pag sinabing maganda or beauty, dapat makinis, mistisa, balingkinitan, 16 ng bewang. Hindi ko na-achieve lahat yun. Unang-una, hindi naman ako mistisa. Pangalawa, pangalawa, hindi talaga naging 16 ng bewang ko at all. Not unless siguro sa mga 8 years old ako. Um, for me kasi, beauty is really a word that really depends on how you define it. For me, beauty is not just the physicality. It's how you treat people. It's how you see the world. It's how you help others. It's how you be yourself. Um, ang beauty para sa akin, it doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter kung ikaw ang pinakamagandang babae sa balat ng lupa. Pero kung masama ang ugali mo at hindi ka marunong makipagkapwa-tao, it will all go down the drain. Um, But that's me, okay? I mean, hindi ko kayo inaengganyo na dapat maging ganun din ang pananaw niyo sa buhay. But most of the time, for me, beauty is not really about the face. It's really about you. It's how you look at the world. It's how you see the world. It's how you give back and how to be kind. That's what beauty for me